Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp without third party. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and enter the WhatsApp chat. And here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my settings setup below, right? And from here, you're going to just go ahead to your privacy. In the privacy, just scroll a little bit down till you find the screen lock. So I'm going to just go ahead right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just toggle on the require Face ID. When enabled, you will need to use Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. You can still reply to messages from notifications and answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So basically, you gotta just toggle this little one on so you can have access or secure your phone and let nobody have access to your WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.